Hi, it's Hamish from Boating Europe. People have been asking us to tell them how we're going to heat the boat in Berlin over winter because it gets really cold. So I'm going to talk about our wood burner and various other parts of how to keep a boat warm, but this episode is about the wood burner. We have a Boatman stove. It's a multi-fuel stove. They're made in Manchester, actually, in the UK. They're quite nice for boats. It's mounted on a concrete slab and it has an aluminium backing sheet with wood behind that and an air gap to the fiberglass. It's a small 4 kilowatt stove designed specifically for boats. Our Boatman multi-fuel stove has a double-walled insulated stainless steel flue going up to the ceiling, where then we have actually floorboards as the ceiling covering, and surrounding that some fireboard. The chimney then goes up through the roof. There's about an inch air gap between the fiberglass hull and the insulated chimney, which we stuff up with rock wool. On the roof, double-sided insulated flue goes up, and then we've got a silicon flexible connector, which is actually only just fastened down with silver paper and a bit of sealant. It needs to be permanently fixed at some point.